So the network did not allow me finish this video, and normally you guys know that I would not always want to finish it so that you guys can see the remaining in the video, in the normal video. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video. So in my previous video, I talked about, I showed how I wash my my human hair and synthetic hair, right? So it means that if I'm going to wash a synthetic hair, that's also the same way. It's the same way I washed that human hair. I was going to wash it. So you remember the human hair, the one I used, that QVR, the one I used for that video. I'll put the link of that video to this video too. That QVRS, so I had to rewash it and use it for a very good friend. I just wanted to see the outcome and how it's going to actually look after a reuse and wash. I told you guys then that I did not wash initially, though I was not okay with the smell, but I did not wash. I use it because I do not react to any chemicals on extension, maybe, so I did not wash. So when I pulled it down, I washed it, and I also washed the remaining new pack. I think I had 1.5 extra on ground that I washed. So after washing, I came to use it for my friend to see how it is going to look. And what I discovered was that the slippery part of it's reduced, yes, and it was just okay, just that when it's the new one you're using, it's more fluffier, it's more bouncy, like it's big, it comes out big, puffy. But because I've used it and I washed it, I'm using the second time, so I feel it just reduced the size. Yes, that's what I can say. So, and at this point, my friend said it's short, but at this point I think I was doing live feel I was done. So I was just trying to put my face to the camera, just trying to, all work and no play makes Deborah a dull girl. So sorry about that. We're indoor right here. We didn't go out even though it was daytime. So we're using all the lights for it. And at this point, I was already like halfway gone. And this my friend there, she doesn't really like braid. She prefers to wear a wig that will cover her sides. She doesn't really like braid, but she sure knows how to style them. That's all I can say. She knows how to style them, and she's not somebody that is used to carrying a natural hair. She just transitioned not too long, and if you notice at the beginning, the hair was very short, and even some relaxed hair are still there. I told her the other day that I was going to trim it off later on, or she should try take it to the barber shop to trim it off. So at this point, I was halfway gone, and I was just twisting. One thing about this human hair is less stressful, actually. The only thing that you just have to be careful about, if you're not the one picking it, somebody that is picking it for you. So you have to be sure that you're monitoring the person so the person will not waste it, because it has a very high tendency for it to waste. And so later I even discovered that it's not its color 2 I was given. Can you see how tiny it was? But the upper side, the front side that I used the newer one for, you can see it's a bit big. Okay, so because it was so light, my friend was like, this thing is not full. Oh, it's not full. I said no, that it's full. That it's because the hair is light, that's why you're feeling it's not full. It's full for a normal regular twist, just the normal regular twist. So at this point I was putting the water. The secret to this hair is water. Just make sure you spray your water every time you're going out. So I was done putting water here. I didn't bring my spray bottle, and I forgot my friend does not have, and I did not even remember. So we had to use another method to get the water. And after the water, I trimmed off the tip of the hair that so that it can rhyme. You get it, so it can rhyme. She feels so light, like it's. So here she was asking me about me adding the curl cream. I said no, curl cream is not for this day. So we just added the coconut infused mousse, hair mousse, or hair mousse. I'm so sorry, guys. Correct me in the comment section. You know I'm open to your correction. So we use the mousse here, and already during the live streaming, people were like, "It's beautiful, it's fine, blah blah blah." But beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, anyway. So after applying the mousse, God, you guys should help me. I don't know where I'm getting fat, so actually, so. But it is well. If you notice there, I didn't even button my trousers because I heard immediately I got there, and I did not, after eating, you know, now if I should tighten my trousers sitting down, because I sat down. It was when we wanted doing this part, then I told her to stand up and we started, because she really enjoyed the process and she was sleeping. Can you see how fine and set this hair is? And the twist is not something that is going to be like tight. It's not. If it's too tight, it's not going to be fine. Then we went ahead though. She said she's going to style it anyhow, in different ways. She'll send me the pictures. I should not worry, this and that. But I just said here, Madam, use your headband though, please, ma. So that at least you guys can see what it looks like. So I think I've talked enough, but if you are still here and you're watching and you're yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe. If you really want to watch the beginning of how I did everything, you can check the link to the live stream I attached to this video, so that you can go and check back and watch. Then if you want to check the first time I also used this extension, you can also check the link to the video. This hair extension is from QVR Hair. Yes, it's from QVR Hair. And you know, then that I was doing the review for them, I told you guys that you can actually reuse it as many times as possible. So this is my first reuse. I've washed it too once, and I don't think I'm going to wash it after this once, except there is really need to. I can as well wash it with my hair like that. Whenever I want to wash my hand, I have the extension on my head. So this is an evidence that you can actually reuse QVR and it will still be fine. And you know, can you see that she looks pretty? But to her, she said she doesn't like braids. Braids does not fit her. This and this. I tried convincing her. She said no, it's not. It's just that braids are not fitting. But isn't this beautiful, guys? So I just did this to see how reusing the hair was going to look like, and reusing the hair was actually nice. Reusing QVR hair was nice for me. It's okay. It's okay if you can manage yourself, because you know that when you're pulling it out, there's tendency for it to waste and all that. So guys, see you in my next video.